This is the first time since I left uni that I'm actually eating Indomie. Not Indomie, noodles. What's up guys, so we are here at WokBoyz Ghana and we want to review some of the dishes. Like you've seen the cooking, you've seen the drama, the pizzas, the everything. So we want to sample the food and see how it is. We want to see if it's worth the hype. I mean, just from the cooking in itself, you can tell that the food looked delicious on the fire. So is it delicious in real life? So this is some spicy chicken wings, and we also have here some noodles. Yeah, so before we get into it, let's take the thumbnail photo. So we're going to start with the noodles, and the thing I like the most about this place is that the manager was telling me just earlier before I began eating, everything is portioned, so they measure the calories, so you don't have to, like, it's just a good thing to know that you're eating out, but an entity still cares about what goes into your body, what quantity. So let's try the noodles. Let's take another bite. You know what? I like this. It reminds me of my time in China. It's I don't know. There's just something about it. It's the I don't like noodles. If you know me, I don't eat noodles at all. So this is how it looks like. I don't eat noodles. I don't like noodles. So you know when you were in uni and you're broke, all you could afford was Indomie. And that's just chicken I ate. Amazing. So all you could afford was Indomie. And so like I can't eat Indomie anymore. This is the first time since I left uni that I'm actually eating Indomie. Not Indomie. Noodles. That's how good this food is, guys. Okay, so let's try the chicken deliberately now. Here it is. Perfect. Perfect. I'll tell you what I like about this chicken. It's not undercooked and it's not overcooked, so it has like a really nice crunch to it. So when you're eating, like you feel, and it's very flavorful also. Like the flavor is there. It's nice. It's just And because I'm not like a spicy girl. I don't like a lot of spice. So the food is just moderately spiced, but they have this pepper that you can add. I will add later. Now let me just enjoy my noodles in peace. vegetables are not like overcooked. They're just cooked enough. Oh, you can't say anything bad about this. Let's try the chicken, right? And see. This was a hot flaming chicken. I can taste the sugar. I can taste the sugar. So when I saw him adding sugar to the spicing, I was like, bruh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, wait. I can taste the sugar. The outside is crunchy and it has this nice crunch to it, and it's sweet, and the inside is like tender and very moist and very juicy. Let's try the pepper and see how it tastes with the pepper. Oh, but my tongue is so used to Ghanaian pepper. Oh, now I can feel it. Now I can feel it. Yeah, I feel like they balance each other well. So the sweetness of the chicken and the bitterness of the pepper, or the hotness of the pepper, they balance each other really well. Let's try again. I think, how do I like it? Okay, let me try without the pepper. I think I like it both ways. I like it both ways. I don't know what to do with it. I need to look at what the people are doing. No, I shouldn't split them, right? You should just. What do you do with chopsticks? Yeah, I know. I studied in China. Don't do that. Don't be that person. Guys, so contrary to what I thought, I'm actually enjoying eating with the chopsticks. Yeah. So I'm going to stop recording and finish eating, and then I'll come and give you my final reviews, okay? The quality of the noodles is great. The vegetables are good, super fresh. My only feedback would be sometimes it gets a little bit noisy if you're inside. So if you come on a date with somebody, it might be a little bit difficult to talk. But you can easily sit outside. So that would be like my only. If you come, the food is great, but about the ambience, it could get a little bit noisy, particularly during the day when the place gets so busy. But outside of that, you can sit outside and you can enjoy your meal if you come with a date. or you can do takeaway. And then the quality of the packaging, I've been eating for like about an hour because I'm such a slow eater, and the box hasn't fallen apart. And I mean, the integrity of the packaging and how fast the food came out, in like 10-15 minutes the food was ready. So make a point. I will attach the Instagram details in the description, so if you want to try like Asian dishes, this was just a breath of fresh air. It reminded me of China. Soy sauce and the sugar and the noodles, and it's so nice. So I'll attach the description of where they are and how you can find them, and let me know if you'd like to see me sample more food. No, I was only doing this because I was feeling nostalgic and missing China, and I wanted something Asian to remind me of that, because an air ticket is really expensive to China. But no, I'm not doing another like, even this is not a mukbang, but I feel so full. Yeah, and I haven't even finished my wings. I'm gonna go eat them at home. They're still here. I will eat them at home. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye guys.